Today we're going to do photo quilts and how to make a big photograph on your regular printer using the 8.5 by 11 sheets from Electric Quilt. This is a 6 sheets and it's divided. They're just sewn together like you would quilt blocks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I knew that I wanted to applique, but the inside of this picture was so complex that I printed it on the photo cloth, and then I'm trying to see where it starts. Okay, this is the print. See how complex it is? Then the rest of it is the applique, so I didn't have to work so hard.
So this is also a photo quilt.
And that's a photo quilt as well.
This would be one picture that we printed out on 4 sheets of paper that we could quilt together. This is what she uses. This is the best quality fabric printing sheet. And look how clear it is. When you print it out, this is fabric. And it's just done right from her color printer at home. This was a test from the Tide Pool quilt. And she printed this part just on 2 sheets. This is a free website, the Rasterbator, and it's rasterbator.net. And you can create your printout from here by creating your poster, choosing a file, and I have this on my desktop, this cactus. And then I'm going to upload it, and then it's going to process over here. Okay, so now here it is, and I could choose how many pages I want it to be. This is 4 across, 4 full papers across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It would be a lot of papers. I don't need it that big. So if I only wanted to do it on, let's say, 4 sheets of paper, I would do here, it could be 2 across, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's say that's what I want to do. Depends on how big you want your photo quilt to be. And then no effects. And then continue. And then complete the 4-page poster. And then it's going to download here. And it's going to go up to where my downloads are. And I'm going to double click. And then, okay, so there's page 1 that's going to print. There's page 2 that's going to print, page 3, and page 4. And so when I print all of these out, I'm going to go up to print. When I print all of these out, I'll be able to print it on my photo fabric, and I can create my photo quilt or whatever project you're doing. Okay, this is color on plain paper. Otherwise, it's going to get too much ink. And then this should print 4 pages. Now we have 4 pages of the fabric printed.
Take a pin or a needle to help get the paper started to peel off. There's the backing sheet.
So once they're done printing, she folded back the margin and matched it up.
Just make sure that they're going to match.
Finger press it to hold it in place, and then she's going to pin it. So the lines really need to match up when you're pinning it.
There we go. I'm going to sew right along the line that I've got it pinned together. And once that's pressed out, that looks really good.
And then you'll do that to all
We'll
4
do that
pages.
to all 4 pieces.
Okay, so you did both.
Okay, there.
All right, then you'll do the same thing on this
now
line.
I'm going to do this one.
Hold that back, press it
Hold
down,
that back. I'm fingernail pressing it here.
and then match it up, pin it, and sew it.
Match it up. where there are seams that cross each other, like I've got a seam here, and I want it to match up with that just perfectly. We're going to put our machine on a little bit bigger stitch so it's easy to take out if we need to. And we're going to sew that first and double check that it's exact match. Okay. Let's see. Where's the seam? Exact match. Now, once that's in there, I can just leave that little bit in there.
And adjust your
that
stitch.
1 inch of stitching.
And make the
Go
stitch smaller.
back to my regular 2.5 stitch.
And sew the whole thing.
And sew the whole thing.
Perfect.
Once that's pressed out, you will hardly be able to tell that there's a seam there.
All right, so then just press this out.
Press out those seams.
It's going to be great.
And
this is how you're going to make your photo quilt. And you
And
can
I
do
would-
whatever you want around
yeah,
it
I
and
can-
stitch, free motion stitch anything
Yeah.
on top.
whatever I want to do, or I could make
Applique.
Yeah, I can do whatever. Do a few hand stitches. At this point, you can do whatever you want with it. You've got a piece of fabric with a big photograph on it.